This is a really exciting time at Gannett. Our leadership has realized, the value of video for our network of sites, and they have committed to making a significant investment in video. So it's definitely an exciting time. We're focusing on a lot of different areas, but two areas in particular I wanted to talk about. One was our content acquisition strategy, and then one was a way to better distribute the content and make sure we're using the content, all the content that is produced across Gannett. So in terms of content acquisition, it's kind of a threefold approach. First, we want to make sure we're producing more content, especially across our newspaper properties. So we have over 80 newspaper properties, and I'd say about 5 to 10 are creating video content right now. So that's a huge opportunity. In my opinion, that's our biggest opportunity to really increase the amount of content that is produced across our newspaper properties. So we are going to be working to equip all of the reporters across Gannett's newspaper division with the right training and equipment so that they can start adding videos to their stories. So we're really, really excited about that. We did a test in one of our smaller markets, St. Cloud, Minnesota, and video views are up 461% year over year after doing this test. So we're excited about that. So that's the internal content creation. Then we're going to be working with third parties to fill any gaps in content, both from a geographic standpoint, because we don't always have, we don't have markets in every single city or state across the country. So geographically, and then category-based content. So for example, we need more business-oriented content. So we'll go work with content providers that can provide that content to us. And then third, on the content acquisition front, we're going to be working to incorporate a lot more UGC, user-generated content, across all of our sites and prominently featuring that content across our sites. UGC is another big area of focus for the digital group. So hopefully we will have a lot more content at that point. We need to make sure we're making good use of that content. So we're actually going to build a video production center at one of our broadcast facilities, and that group is going to be responsible for making sure the content that we produce is actually utilized across our entire network of sites. So we're really excited. There's a lot of good things going on at Gannett when it comes to video.
And what kind of video works? You mentioned local. Is that the big thing? Is it world stuff? Is it, is it feature? Is it funny? What sort of works for the papers?
Breaking news, especially local breaking news, is what really performs well across all of our sites. And we recently launched a new Homefront player, so big breaking news can be prominently featured across all of our sites pretty easily. But we really do need to get all of our reporters, we need to give them the ability to shoot video so that, we don't have to just rely on photographers and videographers, which are few and far between at this point. So we really almost need a culture shift across all of our reporters. So, traditional journalists have to, change the way they're thinking about creating stories by adding video.